Welcome back, beauty lovers. You're watching Beautyistic, where we go beyond the hype and dive into what really works and what just works your wallet. If you're on a mission to repair your hair from the inside out, especially after heat styling, coloring, or just years of wear and tear, then you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're exploring the Garnier Fructis Hair Filler Bonding Inner Fiber Rinse Out Pre-Shampoo Treatment. A bit of a mouthful, I know, but what's important is what it claims to do. It's a rinse-out pre-shampoo treatment designed to target damaged hair at the inner fiber level using a sulfate-free formula with 15% peptides plus citric acid, all bundled into a bond repair complex. Basically, it aims to restore the broken bonds inside the hair cortex before you even get to your shampoo step. Let's talk formulation. That 15% peptide and citric acid blend caught my attention immediately, because in hair science, peptides are powerhouse molecules that help reinforce protein structures, while citric acid works to adjust the pH and help seal the cuticle. The texture feels like a lightweight cream, not too heavy, not sticky, and crucially, it doesn't weigh down finer hair types. And yes, it's free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, dimethyl and mineral oil. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, major plus points for ingredient-conscious consumers. In real-world use, I tested it as instructed. Applied to dry hair, left on for about 5 minutes, then rinsed before shampooing with the coordinating hair filler system. The first thing I noticed? My hair didn't feel stripped after rinsing. Quite the opposite. It felt denser, like something was holding it together from within. After drying, my ends felt smoother, and there was a softness I didn't expect after just one use. It didn't magically erase all my damage, but there was a real, visible improvement in texture, especially around the more brittle, bleached sections. Is it the easiest product to work into your routine? For some, the added pre-shampoo step might feel like a hassle, but if you're serious about repair and want results that build over time, it's worth the extra 5 minutes. One drawback: the fragrance is quite strong. A fruity, floral blend that some will love, but it might be too much for scent-sensitive users. Let's pause here for a quick question. Is this review helping you out so far? If it is, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so fellow beauty lovers can find their way to Beautyistic. Your support really fuels these honest reviews. Back to the treatment. In terms of pros, it's thoughtfully formulated, silicone-free, and leaves the hair feeling more resilient after just a few uses. It also plays well with heat styling. I noticed less frizz and fewer flyaways after blow drying. On the flip side, it's not a miracle in a bottle. Severely overprocessed hair may need weeks of consistent use before seeing dramatic repair, and you'll want to follow the entire hair filler system to get the full effect. Value for money? For under the $10 or $15 range, it's competitively priced and aligns well with other mid-range pre-shampoo bond builders. Especially considering the formula integrity and Garnier's commitment to clean beauty standards. Compared to salon brand treatments that can easily run $30 or more, this is an accessible alternative that still leans on real science. Now, if you're wondering how this stacks up to something like Olaplex No. 3, which also targets inner bond repair, here's the key difference. Garnier's formula is lighter and more beginner-friendly, while Olaplex is more intensive and may deliver faster results for severely damaged hair. But not everyone wants a salon-strength treatment every week, and that's where Garnier finds its sweet spot. User-friendly, affordable, and still effective. Packaging-wise, it's functional. The bottle's design makes it easy to dispense, just the right amount, and it's travel-friendly. No messy jars or awkward pumps. As for build quality, there's no sign of product separation or spoilage over time, and it's got a healthy 12-month shelf life after opening. You'll easily get multiple uses out of it, even with regular washing. I haven't had to deal with customer service personally, but Garnier has a solid reputation for responsive support and frequently addresses customer concerns via their site and socials, especially when it comes to ingredient transparency and sustainability initiatives. Now, if you're on a tight budget and the full hair filler system feels like too much, consider the L'Oreal Everpure Bond Strength Pre-Shampoo Treatment as a cheaper swap. It doesn't go quite as deep in terms of peptide concentration, but it still offers reparative benefits without sulfates or parabens. So, final verdict? If your hair is damaged, dull, or chemically processed, and you're looking for an easy-to-use bonding treatment without salon prices, Garnier Fructis Hair Filler Pre-Shampoo Treatment delivers a lot of value. It's not instant magic, but with regular use, you'll see stronger, smoother, more manageable hair. I'd recommend it most for people with mild to moderately damaged hair who want to build strength over time without breaking the bank. Thanks for spending time with me here on Beautyistic. You'll find the link to purchase this product in the description or pinned comment below. And if you've already tried this pre-shampoo treatment, I'd love to hear from you. Drop your experience in the comments. Until next time, stay radiant, stay informed, and as always, stay beautiful inside and out.